The video opens with the sound of birds chirping, leaves rustling, and distant animal calls as the screen fills with lush green jungle visuals. Sunlight breaks through tall trees, and suddenly we see a group of happy, curious kids running into the jungle, laughing and pointing in excitement. The camera moves quickly between scenes of swinging vines, colorful parrots flying overhead, and monkeys jumping between branches. Then the voice comes in with a sense of wonder and curiosity. What if kids left their homes for one day and stepped into the heart of the jungle, a place full of mystery, adventure, and wild animals? The visuals show kids stopping in awe as they spot an elephant in the distance or hear a roar echo through the trees. The pace is exciting but magical, making viewers feel like they've entered a whole new world. The hook builds curiosity by asking, would this jungle be a playground? Or would it teach them lessons they'd never forget? This instantly pulls viewers in, making them want to see what happens next. As the energy gently settles, the intro flows naturally into the story. The narrator explains that this video is about a group of adventurous kids who explore a jungle not to disturb it, but to understand it. They play, observe animals, and learn how nature works in its own beautiful way. The jungle is shown as alive and full of surprises, where every sound and movement tells a story. Viewers are told they'll see fun moments, exciting animal encounters, and important lessons about friendship, courage, and respect for wildlife. The intro makes it clear that this is a safe, imaginative, and family-friendly adventure where fun meets learning, setting the perfect tone for the journey ahead. Imagine stepping into a world where the air is fresh and filled with the scent of earth, leaves, and wildflowers. The sun filters through the tall trees, casting dancing shadows on the forest floor, while birds chirp and insects buzz around. Suddenly, laughter breaks through the natural symphony, and you see children running freely through the jungle, their eyes bright with curiosity and excitement. They jump over roots, climb low branches, and explore hidden nooks where tiny creatures crawl and colorful plants grow. You can almost feel their energy, their joy, and the thrill of discovering something new at every turn. Each step they take is an adventure and unexpected surprise around every corner. From spotting a butterfly resting delicately on a leaf to watching ants march in perfect lines along a branch. In a world dominated by screens and routines, the jungle becomes a magical playground where imagination runs wild, challenges are exciting, and friendships grow stronger with every shared laugh. Right from the start, you are drawn into the excitement, eager to see what wonders these young explorers will encounter as they embrace the wild world around them. Today, we follow a group of adventurous children as they step fully into the heart of the jungle, a place alive with sounds, colors, and endless possibilities. Each child brings a unique personality to the journey. Some are bold and daring, climbing higher than anyone else, while others are careful observers, noticing the smallest details that make the jungle so fascinating. As they move along winding trails and through clearings, you can see their curiosity at work. They pause to examine a leaf with tiny veins glistening in the sunlight, or to watch a dragonfly hover above a stream. The jungle is not just a backdrop, it is a teacher, showing them how nature works, how everything is connected, and how even small actions can have an impact. In their laughter and playful competitions, you also see learning taking place. They learn patience, teamwork, and creativity as they figure out how to cross a tricky path or climb over a fallen tree. By joining these kids, you don't just observe play, you experience the wonder, the challenges, and the joy that the jungle offers to those brave enough to explore it. As the children continue deeper into the jungle, their adventure takes on new dimensions. They start by exploring the natural features around them, running along winding trails, discovering hidden streams and observing the small creatures that inhabit this world. Every discovery sparks a sense of excitement. An unusual mushroom, a bright red beetle, or a spider weaving its delicate web becomes a moment of wonder. Then, their play transforms into creative challenges as they build small shelters from fallen branches, balance across logs, or invent jungle games that test agility and teamwork. Laughter echoes as they encourage one another, celebrate small victories, and occasionally tumble in the soft undergrowth, brushing off dirt and smiling. Along the way, they learn not just about the jungle but about themselves and each other. Curiosity fuels their actions, problem-solving skills come to life, and friendships deepen with shared experiences. Even simple activities like collecting leaves, identifying birds, or observing insects become mini lessons in biology, patience, and the beauty of nature. Every step in this adventure is a mix of fun and discovery, reminding us that nature provides the perfect classroom for learning, growth, and happiness. The jungle is alive, and so are the kids, fully immersed in its wonders. As the sun begins to dip, casting golden light through the trees, the children start to wind down their adventure, tired but exhilarated. They gather by a small clearing, sitting together, sharing stories of their discoveries, and laughing about funny moments from the day. In the jungle, every leaf, stream, and creature has offered a lesson not just about nature, but about courage, creativity, friendship, and joy. Today has shown that play in the outdoors is not just a pastime. It is an experience that shapes minds, hearts, and imaginations. As they walk back along the winding trails, waving to the camera and to each other, it's clear that the jungle has given them memories that will last a lifetime. Watching these children, we are reminded of the simple, irreplaceable magic of nature. Where curiosity is rewarded, friendships flourish, and every day becomes an adventure. Until the next journey, the jungle waits patiently, ready to inspire, teach, and thrill the next group of young explorers who dare to step into its green, mysterious world. As the sun begins to lower in the sky, painting the jungle in warm golden hues, the children slowly start to wrap up their day of adventure. Their laughter still lingers among the trees, blending with the soft sounds of birds calling and leaves rustling in the gentle breeze. Sitting together in a small clearing, they share stories of the day, the little discoveries that amazed them, the games that made them laugh until their stomachs hurt, and the challenges they overcame together. In these moments, you can see how much they have learned, not just about the jungle, but about curiosity, friendship, teamwork, and the joy of exploring the world around them. Every step they took, every leaf they examined, and every stream they crossed became a memory, a story, and a lesson. Watching them, we are reminded of the simple magic of nature, where the world is a playground and every adventure teaches something new. As they wave goodbye and walk back along the winding paths, the jungle waits silently, ready to inspire the next group of explorers, promising laughter, discovery, and unforgettable moments. Today has been more than play. It has been a journey of imagination, learning, and pure joy.